two giants in the website builder world go head-to-head. Which platform actually makes creating your site easier? On one side, WordPress.com, the legendary powerhouse trusted by millions. On the other, Jimdo, the quick and simple builder for anyone who wants results fast. We're testing both on what matters most: ease of use, customization, speed, features, pricing, and real-life results. Forget the marketing hype, we'll show you how each platform really stacks up. We'll score them in every category, and at the end you'll see which one takes the crown. The winner may not be what you're expecting. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's break down exactly what we're going to compare today. We've got pricing, everyone's favorite topic, ease of use, features, design, security and support, and finally, how they handle multilingual or international sites. I know it's a lot, but this way you'll know exactly what you're signing up for. Let's kick it off with pricing because, come on, that's usually the first question, right? WordPress.com does have a free plan, so if you want to try things out, zero barrier to entry. But oh, they love upselling you on extra features, and costs can climb if you need, say, e-commerce. Jimdo, on the other hand, kind of hits the sweet spot for affordable and simple, plus you get a domain thrown in for the first year. The catch: Jimdo doesn't scale up as much for big business, but for most folks on a budget it's, well, honestly hard to beat. Slight edge? Yeah, Jimdo takes this one. Alright, let's talk ease of use, and honestly this is where Jimdo shines. It's basically drag, drop, done. With AI-powered creation you can make a website in what feels like 5 minutes. No coding is involved unless you really want to. WordPress.com, meanwhile, tries to help with a quick start wizard and a pretty friendly block editor, but it still has so many features that it can get overwhelming. So for simplicity's sake, Jimdo's the clear winner here too. Now, features, oh boy, this is where WordPress.com kinda flexes. I mean, it's got thousands of plugins, advanced SEO controls, blogging, and the option for full-on e-commerce if you install WooCommerce. Jimdo keeps things basic, some simple e-commerce, a basic blog, and yeah, that's about it. If you want to do something a little fancier or scale up in the future, WordPress is unmatched. So features, WordPress.com wins hands down. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you actually know that over 40% of all websites on the internet run on WordPress? Yeah, that's not a typo, it's honestly wild. Moving on to design, and this one's fun. WordPress.com is like a giant playground for design geeks. Hundreds of themes, loads of ways to brand everything, but you'll need to put in a little effort to get something unique. Jimdo gives you modern-looking sites, super quick, no headache. The trade-off? It can feel a little generic and, kind of cookie-cutter sometimes. If you like to tweak, tune, and put your stamp on a site, WordPress is definitely your jam here. Security and support time. WordPress.com, no surprises here, automatic backups, regular updates, and a super helpful support team, though, if you want to skip the line, you'll need to pay for priority. Jimdo. Basic security is handled and email support is there, but no phone or live chat, and their help docs are a bit minimalist. So if you're the type who needs help at 2 a.m., WordPress has your back. Alright, last biggie, multilingual and international options. WordPress.com lets you create sites in 60+ languages, multi-site setups are possible, all that jazz. The only thing, setting it all up takes a little time. Jimdo, its editor is localized in a handful of languages, but if you want your site in several languages, it's kinda a manual game, and it's not the best pick for bigger international sites. So for global reach, WordPress.com gets the clear win. Alright, let's take a quick visual look at how both platforms stack up across those categories we talked about. You'll notice Jimdo leads for price and ease, but WordPress dominates when it comes to features, design, and especially international stuff. So, wrapping it all up, here's my real talk. If you want the most power, room to grow, and creative freedom, WordPress.com is brilliant, especially once you're comfortable with all its bells and whistles. But if you want to get online like today with zero fuss and no learning curve, Jimdo is super hard to mess up. But yeah, overall, WordPress.com comes out ahead for most people. If this helped you figure things out, you know what to do. Follow for more, because these comparisons are just getting started.